Welcome back. And today I want to go over a Tai Chi technique to help free your hand if they should do a wrist grab or a wrist lock. And I will demonstrate here. Say they could grab either wrist. For demonstration, it'll be imagine that they grab my right wrist. And you're sliding down and chopping down. So they grab. Basically, you just want to slide the hand down and stamp the ground, because when you're stamping the ground, gives you a recoil energy from the earth. It's like a compression. When you're compressing down, it'll help you spring up to give you a more energy with your technique. And when you're doing this technique, you want to slide the wrist that's grabbed back, while the hand that slides forward is sliding forward and the other hand is coming back. So it should work in sync together here, like this. So again, now different view. They should grab. You can see the opposite direction for your hands. And your target area should be the wrist. It can be the forearm, or in between the thumb and the pointer finger. One more time. And there you have it from the Tai Chi system if they should grab your wrist, and what you can do to effectively get them to release your wrist. And there you have it. Until next time, have a great day.